Hello learners. It's great to see you again. In this video, we will learn more about the water absorbency of materials. Do all materials absorb the same amount of water?
No. Different materials absorb different amount of water.
Yes, that's right. Some materials are able to soak up water. They are water absorbent. Other materials do not let water through. They are waterproof.
How do we know how good a material is at absorbing water?
Well, let's find out. To set up this experiment, you will need a plastic cup, a rubber band, water, a measuring cylinder, and a tray. We will also have a paper towel, toilet paper, handkerchief, tissue paper, and dish towel as our test materials for today. Let's use the tissue paper as our first test material. To set up, place the tissue paper over the mouth of the plastic cup. In this video, we use a clear container instead of a plastic cup so that it is easy for you to see. You can use a rubber band to keep the tissue paper in place. Remember to place the cup on a tray or dish in case of spills. Then, slowly pour 20 milliliters of water onto the tissue paper so that it does not spill from the sides. Do note that we have also added some blue food coloring into the water we use so that it is easier to see. Here is the sped up version of this process.
Wow! Look at all the water that is being collected into the cup.
Lastly, measure the amount of water collected in the plastic cup using the measuring cylinder. To find the amount of water absorbed by the material, we subtract the amount of water collected in the cup from 20 milliliters. Now that you know how the experiment goes, let's go ahead and do the same for the rest of the test materials. Do also remember to record your findings in the table. Great job on completing the video. I hope to see you soon.